Alright y'all, welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Today we put fuel in the gas tank and we're going to try to get it to the fuel pump. That's what the goal of today is. Maybe even, hey, have it get started, but let's see what we get. So we've already turned the ignition on, so let's hit the... Oh, that's not good. Ignition switch. My lights on. No. Gotta love it. All the little gremlins that you get by sitting a week. Anyway, we're going to turn that off and let's see what we get as we start it. Pretty sluggish. Okay, so we're going to take this air filter off real quick. And I'll roll that out of the way for a minute. I say that. It doesn't want to move. I'll put that right there. Alright. We got that freed to move a little bit. Okay, so we got a little starter fluid here. We're going to move this out of the way. Give it a few pops. Put this back down in there. We don't have to tighten it up. It'll be alright. Move that to the side. And then we're going to hit the starter button. Alright, I don't know if you saw that, but we started getting a little bit of gas right there. So we're going to put a little more starter fluid in here. Well, that's not good. Starter's engaging. But nothing is spinning. That's not good at all. Alright, let's see what we got now. Alright, so we're starting to get a little gas right here. That's a good sign. I obviously have a problem with the starter a little bit. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I have no idea. It sounds like it's just spinning. So I don't know if something stripped up in there, the gear's not meshing, or if there's something broken. But it seems like if I let it sit for a minute, it's alright. Let me know in the comments below what you think it is. Appreciate it. Because it's doing it again. So it sounds like I got something stripped. I don't know what it would be. I've not really touched this starter, as you can kind of see. But it may require me to pull this thing out. I don't really want to. I really want it just to start, but I might be having to rebuild this thing. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Why it's making such evil sounds. I haven't had any trouble with it before, but it's just making a zzz, and then this last time it sounded like it was grinding. So maybe I just overused it, and I'm not happy about that. Yeah, so it's the fun of having a Jeep. Okay, so I'm putting the clutch in, and it seems to be running. So this is the first time this thing's run on its own besides starter fluid. So pretty excited about that. Let's look at the oil pressure. Seems to be up. Maybe I just had it in gear. For sure I had it out, but so this is what we know. We got the starter going back again. I'm not sure what was going on with that. Probably needs some attention, but it is what it is. We are also, since we're just hitting the starter over and over and over again, we are literally smoking this wire. It's only 2 gauge versus 1 gauge, which I think is what it's supposed to be, and it's just pulling a lot of current through there, and it's getting hot. So and it's not starting. I think we probably have it flooded at this point with all that fuel like going everywhere. And the reason I cut it so quickly is I saw a video of a guy whose Jeep catches on fire, kind of first run kind of thing. Basically his fuel runs onto the exhaust manifold, catches on fire, the whole thing goes up. And so I was trying to avoid that. I suspect it's coming out of the gaskets, but I'm trying to find trying to find the leak, and that's why I want to run it again, just to see if I can see if it's a crack somewhere, if I need a whole new carburetor, or if I can just replace the gaskets or whatever and the carb and it get running. So that's where we're at. Right now it's kind of flooded, so we're just kind of waiting. Alright, so I messed with it, trying to troubleshoot. Pretty sure I need at least gaskets on the carburetor, if not a whole new carburetor. We're going to price out both just to see what the difference is and go from there. Battery's dead at this point, and can't get it started anyway with the dead battery, so I'm going to put that on the charger overnight, and yeah, we'll kind of wrap her up and go for next time. So anyway, just part of the adventure. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button, and hopefully we'll get her going next time. But most likely we'll have at least a carburetor rebuild, if not a whole new carburetor to put on, or something like that. So be watching out for the next episode. So for now, Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel, the adventure continues. It's not going to go this week. It's not going to be running this week, so we'll have to see. Thanks. Take care, y'all. Bye.